Meet ATTEN AT-989D, your all-in-one DIY soldering station. Its crisp LCD display puts control at your fingertips, showing real-time temperature and settings. New design for ultimate clarity. Plus, the beep alarm ensures you never miss a critical change. Solder smarter, not harder. Built with a pure copper transformer for efficient power delivery, a plug-and-pull ceramic heater for fast swaps, and a flexible silicone handle cable that resists tangles and heat. Compatible with all T900 series tips, the industry standard. Set favorites in seconds. Press up and down button to your desired temperature, and long press button 1, 2, and 3 to preset the temperature. Swap presets instantly with a single button press, perfect for multi-material projects. Prevent accidental changes. Hold the and buttons together for 2 seconds to lock the temperature. Need pinpoint accuracy? Hold button 1 and 3 at the same time to enter calibration mode. Adjust up or down button, then press Set to confirm precise calibration. Switch units effortlessly. Press and hold the button until degree C or degree F appears. Release and you're set. Save energy automatically. Place the iron in its stand, the station drops to standby temperature after 10 minutes. Lift it to instantly resume soldering. Restore default settings anytime. Replace heaters in seconds. Unplug the station, pull out the old heater, insert the new one, and reconnect. Plug and play simplicity. See the precision in action. The T900B fine point handles SMD work. The T900-4C chisel tip tackles through-hole joints. The T900K bent tip accesses tight spaces. Fast heating, flawless flow. ATTEN makes perfection possible.